Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C21Y, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up settings. From there, scroll down to System, then select Reset Options and choose Delete All Data Factory Reset. This will provide you with information based on what we'll remove. As you can see, we have things like Google accounts, downloaded apps, music, photos, user data. So anyway, if there is anything that you'd like to keep from this list, do make a backup of it beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already made the backup or you simply don't want to, you can click on Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you'll need to confirm it right here. As you can see, I do have a pattern. And once you confirm it, you will be presented with this page right here, Erase All Data. So confirm it by tapping on this once again. Now additionally, if you don't have any screen lock, you will immediately see that page that you need to press Erase All Data. Now right now the device is factory resetting, and this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.